at Thomson Lecture Park. So this is the main entrance, the parking area.
I think this is the old one. Then the other one is on the other side.
Which way?
No, anyway, we have to finish this one first. We'll see what's inside here.
Which way?
Okay, which way? What bird is that? Oh, there's a bird. I think that's a bangkiyod bird or siloy. It's nice because it's very cool and the vegetation is quite thick. This way or this way? We'll check. Where are we now? Huh?
You are entering a nature park.
Okay. Okay, we take this way here. Oh, it's just like a viewing deck. There's no through path. Come. Oh, there's another viewing deck there. That one. Yeah, so are we going to continue?
Oh, nice.
I think it's going to rain, you know. See? The cloud now is starting to gather above us.
Yeah.
And like it's going to rain. So we have to stay here first. Take shelter. See the wind starting to blow now.
Oh, raining.
Wow. So it's better to take cover here first.
Take a rest first.
But look at them, they are still
It's okay. Let them
proceeding to go inside.
A few moments later.
So which way, May? This way or this way?
This way.
No, ato i-check if there's a loop. Kay bisan asa lang ta. Oh. Wait. Quite far, you know.
How far?
See, we are on this here. Then if we take the yellow one, anyway, still can
Just
come back here. Here.
okay.
Okay, so we take this way.
Yellow.
But is there any shelter?
No, red. I think red is better.
Okay, there are shelters in between, so we can take cover if it's going to rain. Come, let's go faster. Oh, this trail is quite easy because it's wide. So we'll just take the yellow one, meaning we have to look for these stanchions marking. But very quiet. What's that? It's a cricket. The nga part is downhill, me. See?
Nice.
Oh. So good. Because we are not grasping for oxygen. Mana siya panyawan, no? This one. Come, careful. Gadulhog mi sa lugsungon.
Up na po the other side.
I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, we just follow this trail.
The yellow trail. Hi.
But anyway, it's not difficult because the
Oh, but if it's raining, this one will be slippery.
see the roots. Be careful here.
Oh,
Must be careful when
when it's
stepping on it.
slippery, when wet.
We go this way. If we go that way, I think
Same.
we will be going back to the same loop. So we will be. Oh, this one is the red one. Red one.
Red na. This one is red.
But we thought that we are only following the yellow, right?
No, we just follow this one also.
Or we follow the yellow one here. Okay, we try here. We'll see. Come. See the trees. Very big. There should be a monkey there. This one? I'm not sure. Wow.
There is a big picture, a big fresh green scenery.
Okay. So which one here? We'll see. No, we'll see first. Or we just go straight. A coconut tree without fruits. Oh, so nice. So ayan na tugtungas. Tangtang tagmas mi waitaw. Mao siyang gitawa og ruins trail kay daghang mga ruins diri na inside I think it's like old houses that were like demolished. You see? Awami. Mga balay man sa una mi, And one more here. I think there were houses here before. You see? Look at that.
Oh.
This way?
Here,
Or this way? Like very creepy place. But it's nice because the temperature here is like maybe 23 to 22 degree Celsius. Oh.
cannot talk.
Come. Continue. Oh, here is easy already. See? Down here or here?
Red man ta.
Bayawak.
Oh, so big. Daddy.
Come.
I cannot.
Here.
I wonder.
Oh, she's scared. Where are you going, my friend? Don't run away. Hello, how? Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. What bird is that? Don't move. Where is that bird? Yeah, quiet. Can't find her. Where are you, bird? Where are you? I think she's somewhere there. Idlas kayo, di makitaan. Let's walk faster, kay like it's going to rain now. Wow. Uphill again, is it? It is drizzling now. Me. How long we have been walking now?
2 hours.
Okay, we are almost reaching the entrance now. Alright, thank you. We are done. So,
We go to toilet first.
okay guys. That's all for today.
Okay,
See you next time.
time.
Bye-bye.
Next adventure.